Have you ever stood on a beach, looked out at the endless water and thought, wait, why does the horizon look perfectly flat? That's one of the main arguments flat Earth believers bring up. They say, if Earth was really a giant ball, shouldn't you see a curve? Especially when you're up high in an airplane or on a mountain. But no matter how high you go, the horizon still looks straight as an arrow. Makes you wonder, right? That's why many point to the flat-looking horizon as proof. Grab a glass, fill it up. Water levels out, completely flat. Flat earthers say all water behaves like that. A tiny puddle, the massive Pacific Ocean. If it's flat in a cup, why curve over thousands of miles? Now think about this. Do you feel the Earth spinning? Spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, whipping around the sun at 67,000 miles per hour. Shouldn't we feel it? Like when you're in a car or on a ride. But standing still, you don't feel a thing. What about the sun and moon? Flat earthers say they move like spotlights above a plane. Imagine the sun tracing a circle above you, lighting up different parts as it goes. They say the sun looks like it's shrinking and disappearing at sunset, not going behind a curve, but moving farther away. Here's a question. Have you ever seen a distant city skyline, or a mountain far off in the distance, and thought, shouldn't that be hidden by the curve of the Earth? From Chicago, people claim the skyline is visible across Lake Michigan. Shouldn't happen on a curved planet. Now let's talk about Antarctica. They say it's an ice wall circling the flat disk, holding oceans in and heavily guarded to hide the edge. Then there's gravity. They say gravity, as taught, doesn't fit a flat plane. Instead, they say things fall because of density. Heavy stuff sinks, lighter stuff rises. No spinning globe required. And finally, look up at the stars. They say the North Star, Polaris, always stays in the same spot above the North Pole, and constellations never shift the way they should if we're spinning through space on a tilted globe. For flat Earth fans, that's more evidence we're living on a flat, unmoving plane. So, what do you think? Have you noticed any of these proofs yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get curious and keep exploring. Subscribe for more curious takes.